Hello my friends, in this video I want to show you how to install and use Instagram on your PC easily. Before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel right now. Don't forget to like and comment as well. Let's get started. Method 1. Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store and search for Instagram. Click on Instagram app and click on Get button. After installation, you can open Instagram app by this button or by searching. This method is easiest and fastest way to use Instagram on Windows. But if you want to use other ways, stay with me. Method 2. Instagram Web. If you don't want to install any app on your PC, you can use web version of Instagram. Go to instagram.com and log into your account and use Instagram easily. You have to know that the web version has limited features. Method 3. Android emulator. With this method, you can use Instagram with full features. Of course, this method is a bit more laborious than other methods. You have to install an Android emulator app like Nox Player or BlueStacks. After installation, install Instagram from Google Play Store and use Instagram with full features. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment. Have fun, buddy!